Hello guys, today Data Sun would like to show you an easy way to create a canvas background for your Power BI report. So here we have a very beautiful report thanks to the background image. So let's say if this report is without the image, then it will look like this. And today we will show you how to create many background images instantly and free. So here, as you can see, we can generate multiple layouts with different color, and then you can customize the size, the color, the layout as you like. Sound interesting? Then follow us. So all you need to do is to go to DataSun website and then go into the free tool tab and then free Power BI Canvas background generator. Click here and then you will see the tool here. So here we have the background where you can choose the color of the image here and the layout, how many rows the image have, whether it has a side column or not, and then you can customize the height and the number of columns for each row. So here, for example, I will change the color of the image. Let's say we select a hot color, for example, and then yeah, you see, we can also select whether we use a gradient or not. So let's say we use it, and then we choose the second color, for example, the blue, light blue, and then you see here we have a beautiful image already, and then now you can determine how many rows. Here you have 3 rows. You can adjust it to be 2, or you can increase it to become 4. um, so it's up to you. So in my report, I just need 3. So I adjust it back to 3. And then here we can and add or remove the side column. So as you can see, the side column disappear when I untick the box. Let's say I tick it again and I choose the position is on the right side. And now you see it moves to the right side. And then for each row setting, you can adjust the height and the number of column. So for my report, I want the most flexibility. So I just choose the one column for the first row. So for example, the height of this row is 150, and then the second one is let's say 250, and the third one also 250. And let's say I need 2 columns here, and then 3 columns here, or maybe just 1 column here. Yeah, and you can see we can easily download the image here, and then we can go into our Power BI report, and we go into the visualization format page and then canvas background, and then we just upload the new image here. So and you see this one, but no worry, because we need to do a few things. So firstly, we need to reduce the transparency to 0 if we haven't done so, and then we choose the image fit as fit, and then you see here we have we can see the background image, but because earlier I moved the column to the right side, so I need to download a new report, a new image again. So now I will switch to the position left here, and then this time maybe I also reduce the number of columns in the second row, and then I download as image, and then I upload the new image again, and then I select fit. Yeah, and then you see here I can instantly have a new image background and make the change to my report easily. So we hope that you love this tool. Why don't you try out and share this to your friends and colleagues? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you.